Well, what a crazy day this has been. The dollar tanked and euro traders gave two fingers to Draghi, or one finger if you're American. Let me start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has put in probably what's wave 4 of the very bullish advance. This has been a major reversal. And frankly, this is open to a move to $10,000 now, because you have the alteration here. 1 and 2. Sorry, let me start again. Wave 2 is a long-winded sideways correction, and wave 4 is a sharp move. So we're looking at a low in here and a move towards a new high. And since wave 5s are the longest waves in Bitcoin, I think something spectacular could be on the way. Let's see if that happens, but there could easily be a move towards 5 figures here in Bitcoin, like a true blow-off mania. All right, so let's go to the euro, and the worst pair of the lot in the sense of, sorry, strong euro, weak, very weak US dollar. This is still going to 117. The best trade analysis I can offer here is that we are in wave 3 of wave 5, because out of the triangle I can count 5 waves here, and so that can be the first wave, the second wave, the third wave now of this thrust, and then we look for wave 4 and wave 5 and possibly then a reversal towards 117, 118. The level mentioned is the 55 EMA, 117 and change. So this pair has no reason to be bearish still. Aussie US dollar still looking higher. I like the idea that we're going to head above 80. This one I don't have a view on, frankly, anymore. I've lost it up here, and I'm still eyeing a move above here. But aside from that, there's not much I can say. Okay, gold looks very bullish here. US dollar yen has fallen off a cliff and gold looks like it's taking off. Let me go to actually the euro pairs, continue with those. Keep in mind that this may be forming a 3-wave correction, euro, Australian dollar. These pairs have been equal, C equals A. So if it's able to find a low here and continue the push up, there's a major possibility that we are looking at a low. Also, we're looking at some divergence here between the stocks and the price. I'm not going to look at this bearishly in that it has to fill the gap. If it doesn't want to fill the gap, it's not going to. Traders ultimately won't care about that if there's still a bullish scenario on this. So if there's a 5-wave advance on a lower time frame and a 3-wave correction, it'll be a buying opportunity. I think it was yesterday, I showed this chart to a friend on Euro Pound. I was trying to treat this bearishly, but then I realized that you can actually take this entire segment here as a flat, 3, 3, and 5. And so the Euro Pound looks like it's going to ultimately make a move above 92. The pound is weak and the euro is very strong. So let's see it continue up here. And this, judging this as a flat, now for wave 2. The whole count will have to change then. This is back to 3. This is a larger wave 4 correction. And then we've had wave 1 into here. And then a wave 2. And now any dip should be bought in this for wave 3 going above 92. And Euro New Zealand, unlike Euro Australian, I don't have a bullish view on Euro New Zealand now. I'm wondering what's going on here in this entire box with the series of 3s. It's looking like it could, perhaps it's triangulating, I'm not sure, but I don't like how it looks here. So I don't have a short-term trade on this. And it's good to see Aussie New Zealand falling off. Let's see if we can find a high for this, for the bigger move down still. And Euro Yen, the trade I took on Euro Yen ultimately got reversed. That's what break-even stops are for. Now, I'm not too sure about a new high in this. I don't have a view. Ultimately, on the monthly, I'm looking at it as bullish, but I don't have a view that it's necessarily going to continue up just now. So if we can see a three-wave correction is still open to a bearish move. I want to see how this unfolds on the lower time frames. Okay, and finally, oil, crude oil is at a critical level. Well, critical. It's not at a critical level, but it is at a level that I'm looking forward to reverse. As I mentioned on Twitter today, if it does not find, it has a chance to find a high in here for a three-wave move and open a move back down to $40. That is really, well, it doesn't matter what I prefer. Frankly, just looking at price, it's a three-wave move at the moment. So it's susceptible here. It's open to a move down. The best I can suggest here is if you're bullish, you can maybe take this as wave 1 of 3. But then we would need to see a correction. And then wave 3 would have to follow. That is the best I can offer for the bullish view. But the idea that a lot of traders that I've encountered are still bearish on oil. So if we see another low, that would be great as a buying opportunity. But for now, it's vulnerable here, and it has a chance to sell off. I would just be wary of a possible leading diagonal. Okay, I'll leave it there. So do not buy the dollar, and the euro stays bullish here. All right, bye-bye.